On Republic Day, the Prison Department of Maharashtra launched its jail tourism initiative, starting with the more than 150-year-old Yerwada Central Prison in Pune. The initiative was inaugurated by Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray through video conferencing. Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar was present at the prison premises with other police officials on India's 72nd Republic Day. Constructed in 1866, Yerwada Central Prison is the largest jail in Maharashtra and one of the largest maximum security prisons in the country. Many leaders of the Indian independence movement were incarcerated in this prison, which now has an inmate population of close to 5,000.
This is Yerwada Karagruha prison is close to 150 years old. It was constructed in the British era immediately after the events of 1857, and I won't hesitate to say that Yerwada happens to be one of the most important prisons in India. A very large number of historical activities have taken place within Yerwada in the British era. Mahatma Gandhi ji was incarcerated here thrice, 1932-33 and in 1933 once again. The historic Pune Pact was signed here within the four walls of the prison, and the exact tree under which it was signed is very much there, and we have been able to spruce it up. The plinth where it was signed is also intact.
Students from a local school in Pune became the first lot to visit the prison as a part of the initiative. Jail tourism was started to make students aware of its history.
यहाँ पर जानकारी मिली हमारी हिस्ट्री में कौन कौन सी घटनाएं हुई थी, मतलब जैसे कि पुणे करार और स्वतंत्र सेनानियों को कहाँ पे रखा गया था, जैसे लोकमान्य तिलक, महात्मा गांधी जी, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, पंडित नेहरू, मोतीलाल नेहरू, इन सबको यहाँ पर कितने दिन तक रखा गया, कितने साल तक रखा गया, ये कारागृह में क्या क्या घटनाएं हुई उसके बारे में जानकारी मिली.
In the next few days, this initiative will be started at several other prisons in Thane, Nasik, Dhule and Ratnagiri. Students and researchers will also get an opportunity to get information about historical events that took place in various jails through this unique initiative. Many of these prisons in Maharashtra housed leaders of the independence struggle and countless freedom fighters. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.